Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we have 20 minus 3 times 4 plus 2 is how much? So let's solve this question. You may solve it from left to right, which is 20 minus 3 is 17 times 4 plus 2. So 70 times 4 is 68 plus 2. You may got 70. So this answer is incorrect because you are not following the order of operation. We have the golden rule of order of operation PEMDAS, PEMDAS. So P stands for the parenthesis or the expression inside the bracket. Stands for the exponents, and M and D is multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. So in the order of operation, multiplication and division have the same priority, and the same is true for addition and subtraction, but we have to work it from left to right, from left to right. So based on this order of operation, or based on this rule, let's solve the question. So here we have subtraction, multiplication, and addition. So first of all, we have to solve the multiplication before to solve addition and subtraction. So this is 3 times 4 is 3 times 4 is 12. So the question is 20 minus 3 times 4 plus 2. So let's solve based on this rule. So in order to solve this question, first we have to solve the multiplication, because multiplication must comes first before addition and subtraction. So let's to find 3 times 4 is 12. So 20 minus 12 plus 2. So 20, here we have subtraction and addition. So we have to solve this expression from left to right, because addition and subtraction have the same priorities. So 12 minus, 20 minus 12 is 8. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So the correct answer is 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.